This is how to use the trend-based Fib extension tool on TradingView. You go to the Fibonacci and Gantt tool area and you click on trend-based Fib extension. Now all you need to do is find a move, find the swing low of that move, click, find the swing high of that move, click, and then you click the bottom of the correction of that move. So let's call it that area. Let's remove the automatic. And now you see you have the trend-based Fib extension tool. Let's drag it more to the right. And let's change some settings. Now, I want the trend line to be black and I don't want it to be dotted. So you can see this changes here. I keep the opacity. I want to extend the lines. So you see extends right. If I click on left, extends left as well. It's personal preference. Let's leave the extend lines right here. And this is what we have now. But maybe I don't want these colored areas. I go back to settings. I scroll down and I find this background toggle. Now to the right, you see color becomes full. You can barely see the candles here. Depends on your settings. I don't want that. I want it to be invisible. And I want to increase the size, the text of the Fibo just to show it. So you see now it's just lines without background. And you can see the numbers are bigger. Maybe I want to add a few more targets here just to illustrate. I click on that and now you see these targets have been added to the chart. Let's shrink it a bit so you see. So this is how you can apply the trend-based Fib extension tool on TradingView and configure its settings the way you want.